Akenya ni mashakaite ikuo ciina ruo muno. A very tragic and horrific accident that happened, leading to the death of 4 kids hamwe na mami wao, and the father being left hospitalized with serious injuries. Na oho ni mashakaite na top Kikuyu actress Mubi wa Steve wa gibindi kia Uriro wa Wendo, and also Kameme TV presenter PK Karitei aria hamwe na family ciao marikitie kuumirwo ni kieha kinene, both suffering huge losses. No birod kirora the very tragic accident that left the entire country in huge shock, in huge pain and agony. Mutino urahanikire along Nairobi Nakuru highway handu hegwitwo Mbaruk, kuria gari imwe, a personal car which had carried a whole family, muthuri na mutumia wake na twana twao tuna, marakorwo makiguthana na lori imwe, kuria according to witnesses maugurite ati the car was trying to overtake, no kwa bahati njuru irathie guthanite na kirori na gucungiriria a very horrific accident that killed the mother and her sons on the spot, na baba wao agitigwo kianyukio thibitari. Ngari yao igitigwo ituangikite mbere yothe, na Akenya magikiuga ni kiama the dad survived, but it is very sad and painful. The mother and her 4 kids are no more. Na Akenya makiga family ino mahoeni mo, so the husband, it cannot be easy. It is an unimaginable and unthinkable kind of pain. Ngai aromagiria maithori, Ngai aromawiriria, Ngai aromahe hinya, na Ngai arohe endwa ao, the mother and her 4 kids kiuruko kiega. Na actress Mubi wa Steve uria na ritwa riake akiuikane ta Lucy Njoroge, na ona Akenya igirite nenda-ini yake na ukorwo agiturura ruo na kieha giake iguthaine ne muno kuri family yake. She has sadly lost a very close person to her, someone whom they were supposed to be celebrating his birthday, no marakora ni mathiko make marabanga na memorial yake. She has lost a cousin uria augite was like a brother to her, na akimucakaya na ndumiriri ino nditu na ya kieha muno, na akimuhoera kihuruko kiega kuria mafans ake na Akenya mamunyitirie na njira nene muno, mourning with her, condoling with her, na makihoera kina family yake thayo. Na ona ake PK Karitei has suffered a huge and painful blow. Niarikiete gukwirwo ni someone like a brother to him, a great friend to him, na akimucakaya na ndumiriri ino kugira nenda yake yokinyaniria, na request MC Jimmy Kajim agakorwo akumumagaria as they bid farewell to this great friend of theirs. Pole sana kuri PK Karitei na kuri actress wa Uriro wa Wendo.